Hello everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly. We've been talking about Remembrance Day this week in our assemblies as it is Remembrance Day on Monday, which we will be honouring with a 2-minute silence in school. Well done for all of your hard work this week. The first week back after half term and we've come back raring to go, so well done to you all. Now make sure you keep watching to the end because the winners of Mr. Watson's art competition are going to be announced. Have a happy weekend everybody.
It as it grows, make it full of hope. Cedric now.